Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today I bring you my chocolate cups with Nutella mousse. Wishing each and every one of you a very happy Easter. May each one of you find good health, good fortune and a fulfilling life. If you are new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such simple and easy recipes every week. If you enjoy watching my videos, please do support by subscribing to my channel. Melt the chocolate over a bain-marie or a double boiler. I have used 2 slabs of Modis dark compound as this was the only one which was available with me. For tempering, temperature plays a very important role. Once melted, remove it from heat and wipe the bottom dry. Then bring down the temperature by adding some more chocolate into it. As I don't have a thermometer, I just went with my gut feeling. Once I removed the chocolate from heat, I brought down the temperature by adding some choco chips into it. You can see that the chocolate has a shiny, glossy texture. I first decided to make Easter eggs and coated the molds, but somehow while tapping it out, it all cracked. So next I took out the plastic cups and I made my chocolate cups. Pour the melted chocolate into each cup and just swirl it around to see that all the sides of the cup is coated. Once coated, tap out all the excess chocolate and invert it and keep it on a plate. Repeat the process with the rest of the cups. When done, place the cups in the refrigerator to set for at least half an hour. Once set, carefully peel off the paper cup. There are chances that the cup may crack. So for this, if required, you can make a slit before filling the chocolate into the cups. 2 of my cups cracked while demolding. Let's start the second part of preparing Nutella mousse. You can use any of your favorite fillings, but only remember that the cups are very tiny. I have used 1 cup of whipped cream, which I have whipped to soft peaks. Now take 2 tablespoons of Nutella and mix some whipped cream to it so that it combines well. Add this mixture to the whipped cream and fold it in. Fill the mousse into cones and swirl it into the cups. This can be prepared a day or 2 in advance. Once all the cups are filled, place it back in the refrigerator to set. With the temperature in Mumbai hitting around 35 to 38, it would be advisable to take this out only before serving. This Easter, enjoy these yummylicious chocolate cups with Nutella mousse. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Also, do share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.